Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you calculation of equilibrium constant Kc from Nernst equation. How you can calculate equilibrium constant Kc with the help of Nernst equation. So first important thing I am telling you, here we have to take circuit. When the circuit in a Daniell cell is closed, then following reaction takes place. Zinc plus copper ion gives zinc ion and copper ion. As the time passes, the concentration of zinc ion increases and copper ion decreases. The reading on voltmeter keeps on decreasing. After some time, the reading on voltmeter is zero. It means there is no change in the concentration of reactant and product. So first you have to look here. When the circuit in Daniell cell is closed, now question is, sir, what is Daniell cell? Daniell cell is an example of electrochemical cell or galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Daniell cell is an example of electrochemical cell or galvanic cell or voltaic cell. When the circuit in Daniell cell is closed, then following reaction takes place. Look here. Zinc plus copper ion is equal to zinc ion plus copper ion. So this is the reaction. Zinc plus copper ion is equal to zinc ion plus copper ion. As the time passes, look here, zinc ion is produced and copper ion eliminate. Means zinc ion is produced here, but copper ion is not produced here. So we can say as the time passes, the concentration of zinc ion increases and concentration of copper ion decreases. Okay, as the time passes, the concentration of zinc ion increases and concentration of copper ion decreases. The reading on voltmeter keeps on decreasing, and after some time the reading on voltmeter is zero. It means there is no change in the concentration of reactant and product. This indicates equilibrium is reached. So look here, language is important part of the derivation. As the time passes, the concentration, look here, zinc ion is produced, so we can say concentration of zinc ion increases. As the time passes, the concentration of zinc ion increases and concentration of copper ion is starting point. In reactant copper ion present, but in product copper ion is not present, so we can say concentration of copper ion decreases. Once again listen to me. Here zinc ion, zinc metal present, but it is converted into here zinc ion product. And here copper ion present, but here converted into copper. So in product side, concentration of zinc ion increases and concentration of copper ion decreases. The reading on voltmeter keeps on decreases. The reading on voltmeter keeps on decreasing, and after some time the reading on voltmeter is zero. When it is decreases continuously, then one time, after some time, the reading on voltmeter is zero. After some time, the reading on volt meter is 0. It means there is no change in the concentration of reactant and product. It means no change in concentration of reactants and product. Now, when there is no change in the concentration of reactant and concentration of product, it means equilibrium is reached. When equilibrium is reached, then we have to use here sign reversible. You know very well, in 11 standard chapter is equilibrium. What is equilibrium? The state at which concentration of reactant and products are same. So this is equilibrium. Reactant combine to form product, product combine to form reactant. Okay, students. Now we know that from Nernst equation, what is Nernst equation? You know very well Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF log. Student, you have to see all lecture. If you are seeing only this lecture, then it is not possible, then you can understand all the points clearly. So you have to see all the thing from starting point of the chapter. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus, this is Nernst equation. If you read it, then you know that this is the Nernst equation. Otherwise, you have to create a lot of problem. So from Nernst equation, we know that. I have told Nernst equation in my previous videos. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF log Kc. Log concentration of product. So concentration of product is zinc ion upon concentration of reactant is copper ion. Here copper and zinc is not taken. Its concentration taken unity means 1. So but equilibrium constant Kc is equal to concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. As I have told you, we have to take concentration of copper and zinc 1. Now in the place of zinc ion and copper ion, we can write Kc. So in the place of this, we have to write Kc. Putting in the place of zinc ion and copper ion, Kc, we get E cell. But important thing you have to know, dear students, at equilibrium, when equilibrium is reached, then E cell is equal to 0. E cell is equal to 0. What is E here? E is electrode potential of cell. At equilibrium, E cell is equal to 0. Put here 0. We get 0 is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF log concentration of zinc ion, concentration of copper ion. Okay, students, and after this we have to find out equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant Kc is equal to concentration of product means zinc ion upon concentration of reactant means copper ion. So in the place of zinc ion and copper ion, we can write Kc. In the place of this, we can write Kc we get, and minus transfer here become plus, so we can write here E naught cell is equal to 2.303 RT upon NF log. In the place of zinc ion upon copper ion we can write Kc, so we have to write here Kc. This is the first form of, so we can say E naught cell is equal to 2.303 RT upon NF log Kc. But when we put the value of R, temperature T, and Faraday constant F, and number of electrons, and then we get other relation. So please look here, putting R is equal to, you know very well, R is equal to R, gas constant R is equal to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. This is the first form, but I am telling you important form and short form that is useful for numericals. In the place of R is gas constant. Gas constant R is equal to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. You know from class 11 chapter is states of matter. I have told you there gas constant R is equal to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. And after this temperature is here 25, temperature is 298 Kelvin, and n is not given here. We can take n 2 because in the reaction n is given 2, but I am taking here n nothing. N is number of electrons. F is Faraday constant, and value of Faraday constant is 96,500 Coulomb. So putting these values in this equation 1, when we put these values in equation 1, then we get E naught cell is equal to 2.303. In the place of R we can write 2.3, in the place of R we can write 8.314, and in the place of T temperature we can write 298 Kelvin, and N we have to take an N here same way. N is the number of electron. You have to learn this point. F is Faraday constant given 96,500, and after this log Kc. When we solve it, then we get E naught cell is equal to 0.0. When we solve it, then we get 0.059. 0.059 upon n log Kc. So dear student, this is the important relation. You have to prepare this relation. E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. Now I am telling you first numerical related to this formula. Question is calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. Question is calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. Equilibrium constant for the reaction. Reaction is for the reaction. Reaction is copper plus silver ion gives copper ion plus silver. Given that in the question given that E naught silver ion oblique silver is equal to 0.80 volt, and E naught copper ion oblique copper is equal to 0.34 volt. Okay student, we have to solve this sum, so you have to use your brain. First you have to find out which you have to find out oxidized substance and reduced substance. When oxidation number of element increases, it is oxidation. You know very well from class 11 redox reaction chapter. When oxidation number of element increases, it is called oxidation. When oxidation number of element decreases, it is called reduction. Okay, so look, an oxidation takes place at anode, reduction takes place at cathode. Again listen to me. If oxidation of element increases, it is oxidation, called oxidized. If oxidation decreases, then reduction, it is reduced, and oxidation takes place at anode, reduction takes place at cathode. And funda is OA-RC. OA-RC, this is the funda. Funda is OA-RC. First I am telling you oxidation and reduction. Look here. Here oxidation number of copper is 0, but here copper oxidation number is 2. Here silver ion oxidation number is 1 for silver ion only, and here is 0. In free state oxidation number 0. In free state oxidation number 0. Look here. Oxidation number of copper increases from 0 to 2. Oxidation increases from 0 to 2. So it is called oxidation. It is called oxidized. So copper is oxidized. Here copper is oxidized. In this question, copper is oxidized. So in this question, copper is oxidized. Why copper is oxidized? Because its oxidation number increases. Substance whose oxidation number increases is called oxidation or oxidized, and copper is oxidized. And so you have to learn funda OARC. OARC means oxidation takes place anode, R for reduction, C for cathode. Reduction takes place cathode. So oxidized, so it is anode. So it is a anode. And after this, next is oxidation number of silver ion decreases from 1 to 0. So silver is reduced. Silver is reduced. Copper is oxidized. Silver, here is silver ion. So silver ion is reduced. And reduction takes place RC. Reduction takes place cathode. You have to learn funda OARC. Oxidation anode, reduction cathode. Silver ion reduced because oxidation number decreases 1 to 0. Silver ion is reduced, so it is cathode. Now first you have to find out E naught cell. Cell is cell reaction. Now I am telling you how you can write cell reaction. So cell is how you can write cell reaction is first you have to write copper, and copper change into copper ion. So you have to write copper oblique copper ion. Concentration is 1 molar concentration, and these reactions are attached by salt bridge. So this is the symbol of salt bridge. Okay, after this, next silver ion convert into silver. Silver ion convert into silver. So we can write here silver ion, and concentration of silver ion is 1 molar and change into silver. So this is the cell reaction. 1 marks question come in board exam, write cell reaction. So you can write cell reaction. Again I am telling you how you can write cell reaction. First you have to write copper, and copper change into copper ion. So copper oblique copper ion, 1 molar concentration. Salt bridge sign, because these reactions are separated from each other, maintain their electrical neutrality by salt bridge. After this silver ion convert into silver. Okay, students. So look here, formula. Now we have to find out E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. And cathode is here. Look here. Cathode is silver ion. So we can say E naught silver ion minus E naught anode. Anode is copper. So we can say copper ion. E naught silver ion minus E naught copper ion. We can also say here E naught silver minus E naught copper. Value of E naught silver is 0.80. So we have to take here 0.80 minus 0.34. 0.34. Subtract it. We get 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 3, 4. 0.46 volt. Now in this question calculate equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant. We have to calculate equilibrium constant. And formula of equilibrium constant is E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. Learn student this formula. E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. And E naught cell value is 0.46. Put here 0.46 is equal to 0.059 upon n. Value of n. N is number of electron. How many electron here? 2. And after the log Kc, we don't know what is log Kc. Divide it 0.4. This is in division. It become here in multiply. 2 into 0.46, and it is in multiply, it become here divide. 0.059 is equal to log Kc. Now divided, when we divide it, then we get 15.5932. 15.5932 is equal to log Kc. Dear student, to remove log we have to take anti-log. So taking anti-log on both sides, and when we take anti-log of log, then log is removed. We get only Kc. Okay students, so we get only Kc. Log removed here. Kc is equal to, and this is the power. We have to write this number in the power of 10. 10 to the power 15. You have to learn in your brain that this number written in power of 10, and we have to see anti-log table that is provided last pages of chemistry practical book, or in some books are also given. So 59.3, when we see in a anti-log table 59C3, then we get 39, then we get 392. And after this we have to use decimal. So this is the answer. Okay students, so you have to learn this formula. Formula is E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. Student, you know very well how you can find out log, anti-log, all the thing you know very well. Okay students. Student, I hope that you can understand all the things that I have told you today. So say like this video, share it to your friends.